What is going excuse me, what's going on, everybody? Today I am going to try and install the tailgate sill from Rough Country, the same place I got the cover for my truck. So it's the same company here, and yeah. So what you basically have to do is just stick the sill there after you clean it real well. So it goes along there. There's the actual seal itself. It's like 10 foot, I think. And then you run it clear back up. So what I'm going to do is just clean it. They did give you a, sorry. They did give you like an alcohol strip, but I think I'm going to use just the bottle. It may be easier, I don't know. May open it up and see where I get with it. Because it's rained around here, so that my truck is probably a mess. Oh, and it's just not really much of nothing. But you just clean it, wipe it down, because it goes clear to the top. When you do this, it goes, the sill goes clear up here to the top. Both sides, obviously, but yeah. I'm gonna get a rag and use it, I think. But yeah, after you clean it up, or well, I just would let it dry, probably. But I've been pretty happy with the cover itself. Yeah, I've been pretty happy with the cover itself. I'm just letting that thing dry for a minute, and then we will see how this goes. So the way this works is that the like this the 3M sticky goes kind of to the outside like this, and then you just follow the edge of the bed, right? So you just follow this edge all the way around. I don't know if you can see that down there or not, but just all the way to the bottom of that. I'm just going to put it to the bottom of the bed liner there. So I don't know if that helps you see it. All the way back up to the top there. So put the lid back on that. Move this stuff. So you peel a good bit of it off. If you can. What's the problem? All right. And then as you move down the line, you peel the backing off. But doing this at you put it in as straight as possible, right? And just run it along the bed liner. Then you don't want to crease it or nothing. That's a little tricky. Well, it's going, I guess. I don't even know if I really need it. I mean, water gets in there when I wash my truck, but it's not a lot. It's not like my other bed. That's for sure. Yep, I could have done better with lighting, I guess. I don't know. Again, I'm just trying to follow the line of the bed liner. Well, I'm taking it clear to the top. And then cut it. If you can see, I took it clear to the top. Now I got to cut it off. So I'm just going to take a knife and kind of do this or not. Just kind of cut it. Cut it as straight as you can, I guess, right? All right, there she is. This fucking video is gonna suck. Around the church. Push down everywhere. And then it goes clear up there. So basically, that is all to do the tailgate sill. It does say close it up. And let the tailgate kind of hold it up there for a while. The only thing I don't like about this rough country, it's not American made. Other than that, I am happy with it overall. So, but I am going to shut my tailgate up. And then tomorrow I'll go wash my truck to see if have any water in here. So, yeah, I think that's it for now. If you like this video or if it was helpful, comment down below or whatever. But just a quick one, and we will talk to you later. Bye.